Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete tags in Zoho Projects. Alright, so first up, go to the module where the tag is used. For example, under tasks, issues, phases, whatever you want. For example, task right here. Now in here, what we'll do is just go ahead and select the task. Okay, maybe just use the move tool right here. Let's see what uses what tag. Okay, right here under tags. As you can see, when you click on one, for example, we have here the tag section for how to add a subtask right here. Maybe this task. I'm going to click on it, and this one right here is the tag. So you can go ahead and click on it and click on delete. And this one right here is for the project itself. Or you can go ahead and select task. Okay, again, how to add a subtask in Zoho Projects. I'm going to click on it. Now scroll down. As you can see here, we have the tags. Just click on the X button like so. And just wait for this pop-up to show task updated. And once that's done, you're good to go. Another option is by simply checking the task. For example, we have here task 1. Click on view. And again, click on the X button like so. Delete. Task updated. You're good to go. That is it. That is how you delete tags here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.